everyone. So today I am thrilled to share insights into a groundbreaking shift in the aviation industry. So spurred by the latest advancements in artificial intelligence, particularly Gen AI. So this technology is revolutionized everything from how aeroplanes are designed and manufactured to how they are flown and how we interact with passengers. So our story begins in the 18th century with the hot air balloons and airships, marking humanity's first successful aircraft to conquer the skies. So fast forward to 1903 and the Wright brothers pioneering flight laid the groundwork for the aircraft and aerodynamics we know today. So the ensuing years, especially during the world wars, saw rapid innovations through transitions from biplanes to jet engines. So the jet age brought about a new era of air travel, making the world smaller and more connected than ever before. So the introduction of jumbo jets and the Concorde pushed the boundaries of what was possible, from the volume of air traffic to the speed of transatlantic flights. So as we entered into the digital era, fly-by-wire system and drones began redefining aircraft operations and applications. At the same time, the push for sustainable and electric aviation promised a cleaner, quieter future. So now further future with Gen AI, we are looking at an unprecedented opportunity to enhance safety, efficiency and the passenger experience. This technology can predict and simulate scenarios to improve safety protocols, optimize flight paths for better fuel consumptions and offer personalized services to passengers that transform their journey from start to finish. However, embracing this future comes with challenges which includes ensuring data security, navigating complex regulatory landscape and integrating AI seamlessly with existing systems. So generative AI stands to revolutionize maintenance practices by predicting when parts will fail, saving time and money. It also optimizes flights route in real time, considering various factors to improve efficiency and reduce environmental impact. On the customer service front, AI-driven tools like chatbots can provide personalized assistance, making travel more enjoyable and hassle-free. So as we stand on the cusp of new era, it's clear that generative AI will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of aviation. So by addressing the challenges and leveraging the opportunities it presents, we can ensure a safer, more efficient and customer-friendly aviation industry for the future. Thank you very much.